I currently record with an iPhone XS. The air conditioning is on. Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing and looking at the difference between my new Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II and what I currently film with, which is my iPhone XS Max. Although I am recording in 1080p on my phone, I find that after I upload it, if I watch my videos on our TV, they just seem out of focus and like the quality isn't quite there. Since I've been doing YouTube for about a month now, I thought it would be kind of fun to upgrade to a used camera and see if the quality is improved at all. So I went with the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II because it has really good reviews. When I was searching best YouTube cameras, best vlogging cameras, this is the camera that just kept coming up. I looked on Facebook Marketplace and I found one that was for sale. I'm going to be unboxing this and showing you guys everything that it came with, and then we will be doing a side-by-side comparison of the iPhone XS Max and the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I'll do a film comparison, I'll walk around with the lighting to see the differences. I will do an audio comparison as well. So I did buy this camera used. The person who had it before me bought it because he wanted to try vlogging and then didn't end up liking being on camera. So we have the little wrist strap, charger with an extra battery, an HDMI cable for uploading, and then the only thing left in the box is the camera itself. He did include a bendable tripod and a carrying case, which has a better carrying strap. So when we open this up, it came with a 32GB memory card already inside. So I'm going to turn it on. So now I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison. So this is the difference between the iPhone XS Max and the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I already see a huge difference. I think the lighting on the Canon is so much better. It's picking up a lot more of the ambient light. I feel like the lighting is a lot cooler. The Canon is a compact camera. It has a 3-inch screen that folds up, and it came out in 2016. There's a model before it and a model that came after it, but I've heard a lot of reviews saying that this one is the best. It weighs just under a pound, so it's super lightweight if you wanted to take it to go blogging. So here's where I will show the audio side by side. So right now, this is going to be the iPhone audio, no additional mic or anything like that. And then now this is the Canon audio, no additional mic, 2 feet away from the camera, what it is picking up. I remembered to turn off my air conditioning this time so that we didn't have a dull roar in the background the entire time that I was filming. I love having the flip up screen on the Canon. It really helps kind of like frame the shot and know what I am recording. With the iPhone, I don't have that, so it's a lot harder to know until afterwards what I'm actually getting in the shot. I also like that on the Canon I can tap and focus wherever I want it to focus. It has face tracking and I really like that. I feel like with the iPhone, it's good, but the quality just isn't quite as clear. Now I'm gonna walk around and show different lighting. The zoom is definitely very different with the Canon. I feel like it gives a much wider view. So this is right in front of an open window, 100% outside light. And then backlighting. Okay, over in front of a very warm lamp. Okay, so now I'm going to walk around outside a little bit. Right now I'm still in a shaded area. In the Canon, it just looks a lot smoother. So I want you guys to let me know down in the comments what camera you use for filming and what camera you think is superior out of the two of these. Do you use your iPhone to film, or do you have a dedicated filming camera outside of your phone? If you found value in this video, be sure to thumbs up. My channel does a little bit of a mix between YouTube help tips, social media growth, and just kind of like lifestyle things in general. Being new to motherhood, and I'm hoping soon to do some videos on what it's like being in nursing school, working in a hospital downtown, all kinds of things like that. So if anything like that sounds interesting to you, be sure to subscribe and share this video with anyone who is looking into getting a new vlogging camera, just to see what the side-by-side comparison would be. Bye guys.